All right, good morning, YouTube. So we have my 2004 GMC Envoy that we're going to look at the window today. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. More how-to style, more how-to videos, just everything around the house, vehicles, anything else concerning that you need to be fixed. I'm not a mechanic. We all have to try sometimes to save some money in this time when you really don't want to go take your vehicle in, or just try to save some money. So maybe this video can help some of you out as I go through the steps to see what is wrong with my window, and we'll diagnose it, find out, and everything. Again, 2004 GMC Envoy. We're gonna tackle the window. So again, thank you again. My name is T. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when we upload another video, you'll find out everyday things that you can do at home and fix them, solve them, hopefully help you save some money. All right, so here we have the door panel, window. Got mine taped up because it kept slipping down and falling in. So I kind of just rigged it a couple days ago so it wouldn't fall, so it would stay up. So we're gonna go ahead and pop the door off. Take this off. I kind of already popped it off a little bit. I just used a little putty knife, but you can get something small enough to pop this off to first get it off. Now, before I started, the window did, when I had the power on, it did sound like the motor was still working. So I don't think the motor is the problem. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I have an idea, but we'll find out once we get inside it more. So I'll pop this off. So for me, I just always like to diagram stuff. So I've already kind of put some tape on here to see which one is which. You don't have to. I mean, you can kind of figure out and already see once you take it off which ones are which. But I kind of put some tape on here to let me know which ones go back to where. So we're gonna start taking and popping this door off. There is a bolt down here, and I think it's a 7mm. So correction, it's a 10mm that I used to take this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this off right now. So it's a 10mm, just using an extension to get in there. So we're gonna continue to pop this off. So real quick, I forgot to mention that there is another, let's see if we can get it. There's another 10mm bolt that's right there that you got to take off before you can take the entire door panel off. So forgot to mention that, but let's get back to the video. So now, after that, like I said, you just use a putty knife. You can pop it off, but that one 10mm, I forgot to get that off. So as you can see, there's one here and one here, both 10mm that you need to pop off in order to get to the door panel. So now we're gonna open this up to see exactly what is the problem, because I know the motor's working, but I'm not sure exactly what's going on. So we're gonna open everything up and continue on. I think I'm gonna have to take this off too. So let's see. So I'm gonna remove this adhesive backing. So I think you can pull it off, but see if I can use like a little razor blade to kind of cut this off. There we go.
some of the harder spots, so we can get to the window to see exactly what is going on and what's the problem. Don't pull too hard because you might rip it. So I'm seeing that because my truck is so old.
So now that I have it off, my window is up, but like I said, I was able to pull it up, so I'm not sure exactly what's going on. I did hear the motor was running and it was trying to move. So I'm not sure if it slipped off or something or what, but I'm gonna look at it a little closer and find out exactly what the problem is. And then let's see if I can come back and say what it is. And then we'll go from there. So it actually is the window regulator. So I was able to get the window all the way up and use some tape to keep it up. So I'm gonna have to get a window regulator part to get the window. I don't know if you can see, I think I moved the cable and pulled the cable out, but it is, the cable is in there. So I'm gonna get the window regulator and replace that. So we're back with the second half of the video. I was able to get the regulator for the door, so I'm gonna open up the box and see what we have. And let's take a look. Here's the box. Got the regulator part for the front window. I'm trying to remember where I got it off of. Oh, car parts, carparts.com. So we're gonna go ahead and take apart the rest of this and get it changed out. All right, here we go. We have it, and got a few instructions. Okay. Hey, if you need that, take a picture. You can kind of see everything if you need it for a visual, for future references. So there you go. All right, we're gonna get it open. There you get going. Make sure you have it the correct way before you start. Make sure everything lines up and everything looks intact. All right, so I want to start taking everything apart. So I need to get to this. So I'm gonna have to move the window to a position to where I can get to those nuts. So I'm gonna have to get it where I can slide the window down, just like this. You can see there's one right there. And the other one is right there. So now we got both. So now I can get to it, and I believe it is 10 millimeter. We're gonna go ahead and take those apart. So I just need to loosen them. I don't need to remove them. So I just need to mention real quick, I was taking the 10 millimeter two bolts apart so I could take the window out the clamp so I could slide it up. So you'll see now that I have the window slid up. All right, so the window's up. So we're just going to loosen this one and remove this one, and this one. All right. So we have the oil regulator out, oil window. So it appears this one was bad, but I forgot to disconnect this. So don't forget to disconnect this before taking this out as well. So, all right, start putting everything back together. Make sure you take out your bolts here so you can put them on your new one. So once you get everything secured, we're going to put your vehicle into accessory, and you're going to connect your window back again. I already connected it. as you can see. Then you're gonna roll it down like we did earlier in order to get to the clamps, as well as the, see the clamps? So we can get to the clamps. And then we're going to turn the vehicle off again, take the keys out, and we're gonna disconnect this again. And now we're gonna get ready to put the window in. Loosen up the nuts. Just make sure everything is lined up. So everything is back in place. We're gonna try to put the water shield back on as good as possible. Let me see if I got something I can use to maybe get it to stick again. So I'm not gonna bore you with everything. We're just gonna reconnect the speaker, and we're gonna get the door back on. And I'm not gonna really film the rest of that. We're gonna hook everything back up. Got the water shield on a little bit. It keeps falling off, but I got it on the best I could. I'm probably gonna try to figure out something later to get it to stick, but for right now, again, just put everything back together, and we're gonna put the door back on and reconnect everything, and we'll see you closer to the end. So I got that one bolt that goes down in there, still 10 millimeter, got it with an extension. So all there's left to do is put the switchback panel back on. So what I did initially, which I probably should have said in the beginning, I marked which one was which so I wouldn't forget, but you just want to put it back together, and we'll do that and straight it again. All right, sorry for that. Had to use both hands, but we're reconnected. So you can see the door locks work. So now let's put the key back in the ignition, put it into accessory, and let's see if the window works. So the window does work. And we're back in business. So again, this is my first video with doing this and replacing a window. Please drop a comment below, like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you.